Hey guys, today I'm diving into a topic that's super important for anyone who spends time online. Let's talk about online privacy and why you absolutely need a VPN. Alright, here we go. You're at home, sipping your coffee, browsing your favorite sites. Seems pretty harmless, right? But what if I told you that every click, every search, and every website you visit is being tracked? Yeah, sounds like something out of a spy movie, but it's not. It's happening to you right now. Your online activity isn't private. Your data is at risk. Hackers, advertisers, and even your internet service provider can see what you're up to. And let me tell you, they're not just being nosy. They can use your data for all sorts of shady stuff. So how do you take back your privacy? Enter the VPN, Virtual Private Network. A VPN is like a magical cloak for your internet connection. It encrypts your data, making it nearly impossible for anyone to see what you're doing online. Imagine browsing the web in an invisible bubble. That's what a VPN does for you. Let's break it down. First off, privacy. With a VPN, no one can snoop on your online activity. It's just you and the internet, the way it should be. Next up, security. Public Wi-Fi hotspots are a hacker's playground. But with a VPN, you can use public Wi-Fi without worrying about someone stealing your data. It's like having a bodyguard for your internet connection. And then there's unrestricted browsing. Ever try to access a website or stream a show only to find it's blocked in your country? A VPN lets you bypass these geo-restrictions and surf the web freely. It's like having a passport to the entire internet. So why does this matter? In a world where data breaches are becoming more common and privacy is harder to come by, a VPN is your first line of defense. It gives you control over your online life and keeps your information safe. Alright, here's the deal. If you value your privacy and want a secure, unrestricted internet experience, you need a VPN. It's not just a luxury, it's a necessity. So, what are you waiting for? Protect your online life with a VPN today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on staying safe online. Catch you in the next video.